Creating your first advertising campaign with sponsored products is easy. Here's how to get started. In this video, we will cover the campaign creation process by selecting the ad type, setting your campaign settings, selecting your targeting, adding keywords and negative keywords if applicable to the campaign, and launching your first sponsored products campaign. Before you start, consider a few things. Which products do you want to advertise? Remember, you can advertise any of your buy box eligible listings. And how much you want to spend. You'll be able to set your bid and budget. To get started, if you are a seller, go to the Advertising tab and click on Campaign Manager. If you are a vendor, simply click on Advertising and you'll be brought to the Campaign Manager page. Click Create Campaign and select Sponsored Products. Now let's set up your first campaign. To begin, give your campaign a name. This might be the type of products you'll be advertising, seasonal merchandise you're promoting, or anything else you want to use to distinguish the campaign and keep multiple campaigns organized. Next, set your campaign duration. You can choose to let your campaign run continuously, starting today, or set a start and end date for the campaign. We recommend an always-on approach and starting the campaign immediately to ensure your ads are active at all times, so shoppers can discover your products anytime they search on Amazon. If you need to, you can pause your campaigns after they've gone live. Then, set your average daily budget. This is the maximum daily amount you want to spend on advertising the products in this campaign. You can adjust this at any time. Amazon offers two distinct ways to target your sponsored product ads. We recommend starting your first campaign with automatic targeting. This allows Amazon to automatically match your ad to relevant shopper search terms based on your product information. It is a quick and easy way to learn how shoppers are discovering your ads. We'll cover manual targeting in Create a Manual Targeted Campaign video later in the series. If you're a seller, the next step is to name your ad group. Think of ad groups as subfolders in your campaigns. You can have multiple ad groups in a campaign. This field is not available for vendors at this time. Then, select products to include in your campaign or ad group. You can search by product name, SKU, or ASIN. You'll be able to sort ASINs by the date they were added to your catalog, as well as see their star rating and the number of reviews they have. Find the products you want to advertise and click Select to add them to your campaign. Your selected items will appear. Now let's set your cost per click or CPC bid. The bid is the maximum amount you're willing to pay for a click on your ad. For automatic targeting campaigns like this one, the default bid will apply to each product in the campaign, so you'll want to consider the margins on each item. We'd also recommend you consider the category. You may also choose to be more aggressive and bid higher, or take a more conservative approach and bid lower. Remember, bids can be changed at any time. Whichever strategy you land on, we recommend you bid only as much as you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. Now you're ready to launch your campaign. Congratulations on launching your first sponsored products campaign. Your ads are now ready, but they may take up to an hour to begin displaying on Amazon. Remember, your ads need to be relevant to the shoppers and winning the buy box in order to be eligible to display, and you must also have the winning bid for the search term. If you have additional products you'd like to advertise that fall within a different category or type of product, we encourage you to create another sponsored products campaign for that line of products. Reviewing your campaigns regularly is the key to success. Make sure you visit your campaign manager 1 to 2 times a week to monitor performance and adjust where necessary. In this video, we hope you've come to understand how to create your first sponsored products campaigns, including how to select the products to advertise, your budget, CPC bid, and targeting methods. Stay tuned for the next video in the series, which will cover how to understand your metrics to ensure your campaigns are meeting your goals.
Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.